Hey guys, welcome to day 7 of my 10 days of fall. Today we have the cutest little mug. Like, I just love how this turned out. These mugs, this is stainless steel. I did get this from Amazon quite a while ago. It's just a mug by itself. It doesn't have a lid, but I know a lot of the stainless cup places have mugs like this with the lid and everything. I will link these down below, but this one is just from Amazon by itself. This one is just so fun. It was actually born out of like disaster and frustration, which you guys will see, but I could not be happier with how it came out. Like, just the whole distressed look of it. Like, I'm obsessed. I love the little bit of animal print and the colors, and it's very fall. Don't forget to come back for day 8 tomorrow, and let's get into the tutorial. So starting off with this stainless steel mug that I got from Amazon. It was already nice and clean, so I just prepped it with mattify and an abrasive pad. Once that was dry, I spray painted with Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. Then once that was dry, I went in with this foil glue. This is by Artistic Painting Studio. So I did a good layer of that all over the whole cup using just this little flat paintbrush. Then I let it dry however long it said. I think it said like 15 or 30 minutes. So I did exactly that. And I got these foils from them as well. Some leopard and this gorgeous like burgundy and gold foil. So what I did is I cut little like random pieces and strips just so I wouldn't have like huge pieces of it. I kind of wanted to do just little strips and chunks at a time. And then I also found this really beautiful like orangey copper one. That one I think was from Amazon. So I lay it on there and I'm ripping it off. It's not working so great with the leopard. And then the other one just literally was not working. It was peeling off the glue. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I kept trying, but it just was not working. So I've heard people doing 2 layers of the glue. So I went ahead and added a second layer and let that dry as well. So then once that was dry, the right amount of time, I went back in with the foil and kept trying. And I don't know what it was about the burgundy and gold, or like the burgundy foil. It just was not wanting to work. The leopard one was doing pretty well with the 2 layers. So I ended up peeling it all off and it left a part of the gold. And I just used this Gorilla Glue spray adhesive. I said, let me try this. I have no idea if it'll work, but I'll just use it because I was done. I was like, this is not working. If you wanted to get this look, you can definitely do like a kind of maybe sponge paint the gold on to get that kind of random look that it has. So then I let that dry a little bit till it was tacky, and then I went in with the foil. And I mean, it definitely worked better than anything else I've tried, except for this burgundy one. The purpley kind of foil just did not want to work at all. so it peeled off the glue, but I kept going. This copper one is my favorite foil. It's so gorgeous. So I ended up just doing the copper and the leopard instead of the burgundy one. I just figured it was not working. It was just not meant to be. So kept going with the other two, just random spots. No rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I just really wanted this to be kind of a distressed, I don't know, mainly just distressed and pops of the color in the leopard. So I just kept going until I was happy with it. Then it was time for epoxy. I did 2 layers of our Artistry 1-to-1 fast set. Then here it is all done. I really love how it turned out. I love all of the distressing, and even though you can see like random glue spots and weird, I don't even know, I think it just looks so cool. It just adds to the distressed kind of character that it has, and I really love it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other fall videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.